Test. It's March already, but let me upload one video on Setsubun. Setsubun this year fell on the 4th of February, and that's the day before the beginning of spring. It's just in the old Japanese calendar, so this cold month without no flowers blooming doesn't feel anything like spring. But the calendar says it is. It's a tradition to eat a whole long sushi roll. This sushi roll made for this celebration is called a homaki. It is good luck to roll in 7 ingredients, as it is believed to represent the 7 lucky gods. This time, I chose 7 ingredients that are readily available outside of Japan to make it easier for you to try out this recipe. Also, I didn't use a rice cooker either to make it easier, as they're less common abroad, I guess. When you cook sushi rice for sushi, the amount of water should be less than usual. You add vinegar mixture later and it will moisten it up just right. Also, it's common to add a sheet of dried kelp when making sushi rice for sushi. It's like natural MSG. It doesn't flavor the rice but would add some umami to the plain rice. Do you know how the 5th taste, umami, was discovered? It was found in kelp. Just mixing vinegar, sugar and salt to make the sushi vinegar mixture. If you can't find dried kelp, you can add powdered dashi into this mixture. In that case, don't add salt, because powdered dashi already has salt in there. When you mix this into rice, one person mixes the rice and one person grabs a hand fan and fans it to help the rice with getting rid of the excess moisture. But since I'm doing this all by myself, no fans will be used, and it's fine. I transferred the sushi rice onto a clean kitchen towel. It helps to absorb the moisture. Just like how I didn't use a rice cooker to cook rice, I even made a tamagoyaki rolled egg without the rectangular tamagoyaki pan. Since it was my first attempt, it didn't look as good as I wanted to look, but it was worth a try. So the 7 ingredients that I chose were the egg, tuna, lettuce, imitation crab sticks, smoked salmon, cucumber, and avocado. Yes, I chose things that are easy to find abroad. If I could choose anything I wanted, I would have chosen salmon egg roe, nagi eel, salmon, but not smoked, and then medium fatty tuna. I think the sushi roll I made this time would be called salada巻き, or salad roll, since it's got some vegetables in there. Also, crab sticks and tin tuna are often seen in salada巻きtoo. My family didn't expect me to make salada巻きfor such a festive day, so they were surprised at first, but they said that they have never considered salada巻きas an option when picking sushi rolls for a homaki, but it is actually very good, and they don't complain this as a homaki. See, you don't know anything until you try. I'll put the link for this recipe down below. So, also, what is your favorite ingredient for sushi roll? Please tell me in the comment section. I will try them out someday. Just spread the rice onto nori sheet and place your favorite ingredients on it. 北北西だからの北でしょ。ノースウェストってことね。ノースウェスト337.5。去年と正反対。
330度じゃない。
330、大体それぐらい。330。なるほどね。本当だ。ちょうどテレビだ。Thank you for watching. Goodbye. And I hope I'll make another video soon. Goodbye.